Hello friends, welcome back. This is Tech Pori. In this video, we are going to make a box color matching game using Flutter frameworks in Android Studio. So welcome. So first we click the projects, passing the project name, the organization, the Android language, and the finish. So wait to build the project. Now here we need to start getting the folder called the package, and the name is assets. So in it we'll make some folders. So we call the folder ports, another folder we call it images, and another one sound effects folder. So we are going to copy the folder, the fonts, and paste it to the folder ports. Another one is images. So we copy all the images and paste them into images folder like that. Another is sounds. So we copy the sounds folder and paste them into the sound effects folder. Alright. Again, we open the pub.yml file, and now we are going to specify the fonts in this folder to synchronize them. So the sets is in the folder and the name is net01 regular. Another thing, we have images. And the sound effects. Also, we wanted to specify the player for our sound effects, which is just audio plugin or package. Now we click propagate to synchronize our projects. Alright, that's good. So let us clear everything here in main.file. So open it. Now create some folders like model, the past story, and the game folder into the library package. Okay, so in the main.file, let us clear everything like that. Now we start our Carlton project entry points. Okay, so this is the entry points of our project. So the method is called main method, and we call learn app, and a class called my app. So my app extends stateless, which, so as usual, we construct the constructor passing the super key. Now we override the build method to return the which. So we are going to return a material app which, specifying the title, the theme, we use theme data, specifying the font family, we use our font family. See this one. So we specify the primary swatch. We use a color block. So the home which is just a center for now. We will change it later. Now let us run the application to see the skeleton for the project. Alright. Here, the game. Let's continue. So we create a file in the model, another file for box and level. Another one is statistics file. So in a box file, we want to create a class called the box, and you define the members, the name, the box, the color on the box, either filled or unfilled. So the constructor passing some default values. And on the level class, level file, we define the game level class, some members, which is an ID of the level, the name of the level, condition of the level, and points on the level. So the constructor passing some default values for ID, the name, the condition, and the points. Statistics folder also, we do define the statistic class for the level. Now we use num, score, points, min, win, minimum, that is minimum, the level, and the duration of the level, and the statistic status either lost or win. Now this is the constructor passing some default values for a level, score, points, minimum win, duration, lost. Alright. So in the repository, we get another file for the boxes. So this is the boxes repository. All of the boxes will be generated from this method. So from this class, now we define all boxes and call them all boxes. So just the method we can start building or creating our boxes. So the boxes, first box, let us define a LED box, specifying the color on the LED box, the LED color, and we add the box to the boxes list. So we define other boxes and we return the boxes. Alright, so I have defined the boxes. Now let me copy them and paste them here. You see? Alright, that's good. Now let's define a method called getBoxes to return some boxes, passing in the number of boxes required on a certain level. So we return a list of boxes. So get only number of boxes required. So we'll use a for loop. So all boxes, now we return a box element, take that and add the box to the boxes. Another method is the number of boxes. So in order to get the number of boxes, we return the level times 5, level times 5. Now the deletion on the level. To get the deletion on the level, we need to return the level and times 30 seconds. The level points, so we get the level and return the number of boxes times 5. That's great. Now going to get that. So let us create a class called the intro page. This is the first class for our project. It will be the introduction, the intro, the entry points page. Now we'll define it and extend stateful which and passing the super key to the constructor, overriding the state class and getting the state of the page or the screen. Call it intro page state. So in the main method, main class, main, we call it the child width of the screen. Alright, now in this state build method, we return a container, pass some decoration, specify the image decoration, specifying the URL to the image. Like that. Images intro background.jpg. Now if you run the application, you will see that. Now we contain the child scaffold which background color, the body center which child column, max axis alignment, children list of widgets, the first being container, alignment, padding, which is the text, some text like this, text align, and the style. Container, decoration, border radius, the border, the margin is it, top margin passing right and left, padding, edge insets, symmetric, horizontal 12, child which we use a tap detector which will think well, passing in the on tap method. So like the child which is constant text called launch game. Text align, put it at the center, and the style, text the style, font size 68, the color on it. Yeah, long game. Okay, like that. You see. Now we go to the next screen. Now we are going to create that screen file. Call it launcher screen. So this is the screen that will be having the button to launch or to start our game ready for play or live. Now we define the class called the launch screen, extending stateful reach. Now the constructor will pass in the super method key, overriding the states, passing in the screen name and creating the state class which must extend the state. Okay, so just extend here state. So here extend states, passing the screen name, which is launch screen. Now we override the build method, and we must return a wedge for the screen. So here we are going to return a container. So we just copy and paste here and change some scaffold, which specifying the background color, the body, turning the sensor, the child wedge column, max main axis alignment, specifying to be sensor, and the children list of widgets is first being container padding, specified decoration, specified showing the border, which is the border bottom side with the width on the column, and the child width, which is the text. So we just had some text showing the level of the game for the game. Okay, extra line being at what at the center, and text the side is for the size, the color should be pink. Yeah. Now on this tab we need to go to the game launch method. Now let us define this method here, and we use navigator to go to that screen. Okay, so we use the material page launch, passing the context builder and specifying the screen, which is launch screen, like that. Okay, so on tab method we'll turn that method, which is go to launch screen, like that. Oh yeah, that's good. Now we define other things. We add some widgets and details. So another container, child, and pass some padding in it, and the child on the container being the text, and change text to score drag colored box to fill the opaque boxes. Okay, like that. Another container below it, and we will do some changes in here, alignment at the center, light, and the padding in it, the decoration is usual, the color on it. Now we change the text to some other next level 1. So the next level coming is level 1, because this starts the launch point screen. Oh yeah. Okay, so we need the launch button itself to launch the game. Okay, so we are going just to change some padding in here, and we are going to change the border, putting some border radius on it. Okay, and we are going also to change some text in here. Okay, the marking on it, put some marking on top. Remember to change the text in this text which, and change it to 2. Launch game 1. So we use tap inkwell so that you can detect the tap effects by user, and pass it the child which will be text wedge start game. Text in it, text aligned, style is text font size, the color. So we have to define a method to be called on tab. Oh yeah. Let's start again. Yeah. Okay. That's cool. Up next, we are going to build that screen. Oh yes. So Blake, this is what we have to build. Friends, you see, it's the game flow. We need to build this. Now welcome back. Subscribe now if you like this. So let us build this screen now. So this screen is called the playground screen for our players to be playing with the game. So we create the method, the class called play screen, which must extend stateful which. Why stateful? Because things in the play screen should be changing all the time. Alright, so now we define the level and passing the place constructor, passing the key and the level which is required. Now we create the state of the stateful which we override the state class, the state method, passing the name of the screen, which is play screen. Now we override the method called create state and we return the play screen state. This state must extend the state passing the play screen. Now the members are boxes. Oh yeah, and another member is opaque boxes. Opaque boxes are empty boxes that must be filled with the color, and we have the list of choices that the user must select to match the opaque boxes names. Alright, another one we have the player, the object used to play visual or sound effects. We have another level at the time to monitor our current playing player. We have another duration of the level and the score so far by the user. We have the minimum points for the winning. Okay, without that you are lost, you lost the level. Now we override the dispose method and do some dispose when the screen is off. Okay, let us do some initialization. So we override the int state method calling the super int state. Now we initialize the level, which is the which passed when we constructing that screen and the boxes in it. So we use the boxes and we get the boxes from the boxes predefined methods. Okay, another thing is opaque. All we pass the boxes in that, and we shuffle for randomly arranged boxes. Also, we have another choice boxes, and we pass all boxes in it. We do some random changing, and we initialize the duration. We get it from the level and the minimum winning point, which is a half of the level points. Now we set the timer. This is the initialization of the timer. Okay, so the timer will be timer equals to timer dot periodic changing. Okay, so we use duration, we pass in 1 second, and the timer states when it goes down, we collapse. The duration must be going down, collapsing or decreasing. So if duration equals to 0, that means the game ended. Check if lost or won, and then cancel the timer. So we should do that later. Do on the list. Alright, now let us override the build method to return a wedge. So here we are going to return a container. Okay, and specifying the collection, the image collection, and we should use asset image, specifying the URL to the image name in the images folder. Okay, that's good. So on the launch screen, we want to go to place clean method. So let us create it and define the um, so we use navigator to push to the next screen. So we use material page launcher, passing the context, going to place clean, specifying the level. So here we define the level ID, the name is level 1, duration is 30 seconds, the points 25 points on that level 1. Okay, so that is the screen. The first level screen. Now let's go here to define the scaffold widget, the Richard widget, specifying the up bar, passing the background color on it. All right, let's go. Here we are going to specify another thing, which is the icon, leading icon, which is the back arrow navigator pop to the previous screen. Okay, so the child constructor, which the child which icon which shows the back arrow. Okay, that is, you see, so when you click on it, you must go back to this previous screen. Another thing is actions. Here we are going just to show some details of this level. Okay, so we use container, passing the alignment, the padding in it, and the margin. All right, so light margin top and bottom one. Okay, now we have another thing is text, which is the Richard text will reach. So this will be show the level on the screen of that playing screen. Okay, we define another style, which is text style, passing the font size being 25. Oh yes, that's good. So let us remove some fonts trail. Now here in the order, here we only need to return an int. So an integer. We don't anything, just an int of that. Okay, that's good. Now we continue adding some details. So here we let us need to add some scope on. Okay, here we copy and paste the container and add some raw children text, which is the score slash the points on the level. The style is good. Just copy and paste it there. That's good. We need another thing, we need the timer UE. Timer will be decreasing. So this is the container with some child which the collection box border specifying the color. Okay, you need the child which before that child which will be here at the bottom. Just copy that and paste there, and it will be the duration that not needed there, like that. So the font is there. So if you see, let's go. That is the timer. Okay, that's good. Another thing is the background and the body. So the body is the which is the home. Yeah, so column main axis alignment, children list of widgets is first. Let us use expanded which passing the chart container, the alignments, specifying the padding and the decoration. So we use box decoration, passing the image, which is the decoration image, the cover, the fits, how the box fits, and specifying the image assets. This is the name to the assets folder, passing the name on that specific image. Another thing is the center chart. So this is the opaque list of boxes, and here at the child which we are going to use grid view, which we use the constant grid view dot count shilling club. Okay, so we are going to use generate opaque boxes method, and we are going to use drag target. That means the target that is going to be accepting draggables. Oh yeah, that's good. So we use builder method, passing the builder context and the list of the accepted items or boxes for our case, and the one which is rejected list of items to be compared to. So we are going to return the opaque elements at that index. If filled, we are going to use a filled box, and if it's not filled, we are going to return opaque box. So the opaque and the filled boxes, these are the boxes, opaque box to be filled and the filled box, the choice to be choice. So we are going to return the container for filled box, and we define the margin passing the light at the bottom margins, the alignment being at the center. The decoration we use as usual, box decoration, passing the border radius and specifying also the border. Okay, so which is the clay color. The color takes the color from the opaque box at that index. Yo, yes. Also, we do the same for opaque box. So just copy that and pass them into the opaque box, and then if possible we do some changes, but this is good. So if you learn the UDC, let us return add some boxes to get boxes. Okay, see, this is the opaque boxes with the names on the car, so that will be draggable. They need to be dragged to be filled into the drag target. Okay, so define on will accept passing the data. You know the data is the box, so we have to specify the draggable target box so that you can get the box as element and compare. If it's the same data, then you can accept or you can reject. So if it is acceptable, then we can play the sound effect to show it either accepted or not. Now play sound visuals, play sound effects box showing if it was accepted. So we use the player. If it was playing, we pause. Then if it accepted, then we play accepted sound. Otherwise, we play rejected sound. So we use play.set audio, set assets, and passing the name to the assets sound effects, and the name of the file is rejected. And then we play after setting the asset we play. All right, that's good. Another thing, we calculate the score, so passing the plane if it was a loss or a win. So here we check, we get the points per score, which is the level divided by the number of boxes on the level. Oh yeah, so if it was a win, we check the score, we minus 1 to show the player that we are serious. So you lost, we get something from you, and if he wins, we reward him some points of the levels per score. That's clear. Oh yes. So on accept data, what do we do once accepted? Once box is accepted, we set, we calculate the score, and we specify the box text that it was accepted, and we accept the box. So accept the box is the method that we are going to create soon. And if the level is ended, we are going to end the game level at that thing. So let us create that method called the box. Okay, that's good. Now we create the accept box in here. We are going to find this box from the choices box and remove it because it was accepted. It was accepted into the draggable, into the drag target. Now we check, we use for loop and we find it. So if the name equals to the name of the box, this box must have unique names. So we use them as primary keys to find the boxes in those boxes. Yeah, that's good. Now, if it's level ended, we choose the boxes. If it's empty and the timer is no longer active, then we say the level has ended. The level ends only if, oh yes. Now we check if the player is won or lost. So we'll turn the score is greater than the minimum, where minimum points, and here we end the game if he won. So pop off the current screen. We use navigator and we pop. Now another one, we check if the user win, we go to the win screen. Otherwise, we go to the lost screen, and then we cancel the timer if it's still going. So we define the method go to screen and we play one. Go to win screen. For now, we play one, but we will continue doing it later. Another thing is the lost screen, also lost, and we'll do that later. Okay, so game ended, check if lost or won. Game level won. Yes, if lost, it goes to that next screen. Okay, check if everything is good before learning the application for now. Alright, now we create the choice boxes. So we used expanded, passing the chat, specifying the container, the alignment, the padding. Now copying and changing some producer body background. So if you learn it, you will see the difference like that. So that's great. Now specify the child. We use the as usual grid, passing the cross axis counts, the children list of widgets. So we are going to use default the constant list generate method so that we can generate a method. We'll generate choice boxes for ourselves to fill into the grid view list of widgets. So we use draggable. A draggable is a widget which is able enables the user to be dragging it around. Or we say to be dragged around to feed the drag target. So we specify the draggable passing the box which to be dragged and the data which would be the element at the boxes. So the feedback is the container, specifying the weight, the height, the margin, the alignments, and the decoration. So we use the box decoration, passing in the border radius, and will be a circular border. So the border color and the color on the decoration is the color of that box for that index. So the child, when dragging, we don't want anything, and the child will be the container of the same type, like that, so that when dragging, the child will be the same type. You see, that was good. So if we warn, you see that warning. Oh yeah, so make sure you win to see the effects, or lost to see the effects. Okay, that's good. Now we create the screens, the won screen and the lost screen, like that. Okay, so this is the winning screen, celebration screen for the user or player after winning the game. Oh, sorry, we use win screen. Okay, this is a normal method. You see, and we create the state of the win screen. Okay, passing the name of the screen, which is win screen, and defining the statistics of that screen. So we'll use the statistic class, and we initialize some values, which is the statistics from the wage passed. Now we override the build method, and we'll turn a scaffold wage specifying background color. So go to screen method is going to be returning the weight screen. We define the statistics, we pass in the level and the score, the points and the minimum winning point, the duration, and the status if it was a win or a loss. Now we go to the winning screen to celebrate. Now we use push, navigator push method, passing the context and the material page layout, specifying the screen, the winning screen, from the build method of the material page layout, like that. So when you click on that, you play your game. So make sure you win in order to go to the winning screen, like that. And then this is the winning screen. Oh yeah, so we do some more celebration decorations here. We use body and center, passing the column as the child width, specifying the main axis alignment, and also the children list of widgets, passing the container, some padding, and the child, which is the column, so specifying the child list, children list, which is the text, and the text is wow, you won. Text alignment and style is specifying the color and the font size. Another thing is statistics, specifying the text style and the score. Status is status, won or lost. So text alignment, center, and then the style. That's all. Now we need like that, so we are going just copy some container here and load the screen. Next, and first levels. Next, previous button and reset button. So That's how it is. Okay, that's a wow. A wow. Oh, win screen. Wow, you won. Okay, so we need a lost screen. Yeah, we need a lost screen, bro. You lost, so we get that level, that screen lost. Okay, so we just copy the win screen and do some changes. So we go to lost screen, paste them there and change instead of win, lost. Oh yeah. Now run the application like that. You see. So yeah, make sure you lose. So that we're gonna go to lost screen. Oh yeah, lost screen. Okay, you see, this is how things are. So if you like this, please subscribe to the channel to support. Subscribe to the channel to support us. This is how things are. Oh yes. Thank you very much. That's all. That's oh, oh yeah. Subscribe to the channel.